I'm so sweaty. I need a napkin. Just wipe my sweat off. Chad's tearing up over here. Woo! Oh my goodness. I'm so hot. I burned so many calories just eating that volcano. Woo! Man. Yeah?
Which one?
Hi everyone, I'm Corey and you're watching Casual Girl Adventures. Today is Wednesday, Hump Day, Food Day. Yeah! Woo! Alright, Chad and I are going to do the spicy noodle challenge. I'm going to do the volcano. And
I will do the ×2 spicy.
alright you guys, so we got them here. We're getting ready to, we got the water on the boil. So we can put the water in here. But basically all you're going to do is open it up back to this point. It's going to tell you right on the lid how all the instructions. You're going to pull it back, put the water in there. You're going to wait about 3 minutes and let it cook. And then after you're done, they have like three little holes you're going to punch out. And you're going to carefully, because it's hot water, don't burn yourself. Ah! And pour the water out. And then you're going to open it. And that's what it looks like inside. We got the little seasoning packets, and that's what the noodles look like. You're gonna put after you drain the water out, you're putting the seasoning in there. Stir it all up nice and good and juicy and enjoy. Oh, wait, hold on a minute. Our milk. We gotta get our milk. Okay.
Okay.
Here's our cups. Move that thing off. Take the lid rest of the way off. Once again, that's it guys. Pouring the seasoning in there. You got your little flakes over there, huh Chad?
Yep. My fancy flakes.
Your fancy flakes?
Yeah.
Alright. Here we go. Ooh, look at, oh my goodness, what am I doing? Why are we doing this?
Yeah, I know, right? I can't open this.
Look at that, guys. Oh, man. Oh. Holy smokes. Okay, I got it in there. A little bit more. That's some serious spiciness. Okay, you got it? Oh. All right, throw that away. Don't rub your eyes. I'm gonna stir it up. Stir it up, all nice and yummy and good and gooey. And oh, you got sesame seeds and a little bit of seaweed chunks in there. All right, you guys. Cheers, Chad.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Grab
Can I get less of a bite? Okay.
I can't grab it.
Do you need a fork?
No, it's fine.
Here. Cheers.
Hey, actually, it's not bad.
Ooh, okay. Mine is pretty spicy. Yeah. It's building up as I'm going on.
It's not bad, actually. I
Woo!
mean, I expected it worse.
I kind of did too a little bit, but mine's still spicy. I kind of taste just a tad bit. Don't breathe in like that. It's gonna make it worse. A tad bit of sweetness in there a little bit too, but
No.
oh, you know what? I did forget to start this like I said I was going to.
Oh, it just went down my throat.
Anyway, all right, I got it started. We're one bite behind, but that's okay.
It just went down my throat. It's.
Anyway.
Blah, 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 blah.
All right, come on, let's go. A little bit more.
No.
Come on. Come on, don't whip out on me. Let's go. Oh, This actually really has a nice flavor to it. It does have. You're sweating already. He's sweating already. I actually kind of. All right. Let's try it again. Okay. Don't suck in and breathe and eat at the same time. Woo. Okay. We're almost finished up here. Just the last little bit. All right. Anyway, I did it! Woo! I did it, guys. I did it. Woo!
I chickened out.
You're almost done. Finish it. Okay. Spicy. Woo! 1 second. And have some milk. Maybe this will help. I don't know. But it's spicy, guys. Spicy.
Down my throat.
That was okay.
Yep, that hit the spot. Ugh. I need to wipe the sweat off my face.
Yeah.
I'm sweating. I'm hot. Oh, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Okay. Took about 8.5, well, almost 9 minutes. 48 calories, and look at my heart rate, 115, just by eating that. Man, our bodies are crazy, but anyway, we'll get, woo, mouth is still burning. Oh, anyway, you almost done there, kiddo?
Maybe.
You got enough? Let's see. Almost. Woo. Alright, well, I'm done. 51 total. 920. Alright, guys. Anyway, I think Mr. here is done. Wipe your mouth. No, just kidding. Anyway, that's it. Spicy noodle challenge. Hope you guys like this video. You almost did it. Good job, bud. I'm proud of you. Anyway, thank you guys. Enjoy. Have a wonderful day. Catch you next video. Bye. Thank you for watching. Bye, guys. Woo! Mouth is burning.